Hello class, this video is regarding the discussion board assignment that I have for you. Pretty much what we're going to be doing is accessing it. So when you open up your courses, it should take you to this updates page. It's the way I set it up. What you're going to do is you're going to click on this materials tab on the left. So let's do that. You're going to click on the ecosystems folder. Then you're going to go ahead and click on Introduction to P22. Once you do that, you're going to read all of the instructions. This video is really cool. It really is. Read all instructions first, so let's read all the steps. Watch video. On Tuesday, your opinion on the following question. Many residents who live around Griffith Park are scared that P22 will cause a traffic accident or attack someone. Do you think that P22 should be euthanized? For those of you that are wondering, euthanized means that should P22 be killed. On Thursday, so this is for Thursday, please reply to someone who has not received a response. Remember, if you reply to someone who already has a response, you will not get credit. So make sure that you reply to someone who has not yet received a response. So the video is already embedded right here. You could click play, or you could click on the share and follow the link. It's all up to you. It's easier if you just click play. Next, what you could do is, what you're required to do is you're going to post it. So, do you think that P22 should be euthanized? Use CER. For those of you that don't know, this is claim, evidence, reasoning to answer the question. So, do I think that P22 should be euthanized? Well, to start, I would say I think that ... and then I don't know what opinion you have on it. And then the evidence that I have. Evidence suggests, or you could just write the evidence as a fact. P22 has a history of ... So those are three things. And then finally, because P22 has, or you could write has not done ... in the past, it is very ... and then you write your whole comment, you click post. There's your post on what you think. Now let's say that I'm another student that comes on Thursday and wants to reply to another student. What you're going to do is you're going to click on reply. So click on reply, and then you're going to say, hello, I completely agree with ... which is whatever I said in my post, and then another one supporting it. Or you could disagree. Always be respectful. Don't forget, there's no need for any nasty behavior here in this then you could write whatever it is, why you disagree, why you don't disagree with the student. Then you click post reply, and you're done. Remember to reply to someone who has not received a response yet.